Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Predict the Unpredictable, where I predict important topics and questions for the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. Guys, the idea is not only to predict some topics, the idea is to help you understand the science of prediction. Guys, if you attend these sessions regularly, I can guarantee you can yourself predict a lot of questions in the UPSC Prelims Examination, because here what I am going to do is that I am going to interlink the PYQs with the current affairs, and I am going to help you develop the skill set and the mindset which is required to crack the prelims examination. Guys, many candidates think that prelims is an unpredictable examination, but that is not true. If you have understood the nature of the questions being asked, if you understand the trend of the question being asked, then you can easily focus on important topics, and that can help you reduce your effort and cracking the prelims examination. How do I know this? Guys, I myself have used these techniques to crack the UPSC prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, with the unique distinction of getting one of the highest marks in the prelims examination ever scored by any UPSC aspirants. You can see some of my scorecards here. I have scored around 145 marks, 139 marks. Consistently, I have been scoring very high marks in the UPSC prelims examination, and that helped me develop the understanding which is required to crack this prelims examination and help a lot of students in cracking the prelims examination. Guys, last year I was able to predict a lot of questions in the UPSC prelims examination. All the videos are there in this YouTube channel. You can go and have a look at it. So guys, let us start our discussion. So first, what I am going to do is that I am going to share with you the topic which is very important for next year's prelims examination. I am going to analyze some of the PYQs related to this topic, what kind of questions you can expect from this topic, and then I am going to give you exactly how the question will be framed. So guys, let us start. The news item is Namibia, one of the country in southern Africa, has decided to cull its wild animals for meat for its general population, food for the general population. So why has Namibia decided this drastic step of killing its wild animal for meat consumption for its general population? The reason is, guys, Namibia is facing an acute drought-like situation, a situation like never before. In the last 100 years, Namibia has not faced such kind of drought. Extreme drought situation is there in Namibia. And because of that, the agriculture production, particularly the maize production, has tipped to record lows. And there is scarce food insecurity in Namibia. The people do not have sufficient food, so the Namibian government has decided that what they are going to do is that they are going to kill the wild animals, and they are going to use that for meat consumption for its general population. So guys, is Namibia the only country facing the drought situation? Guys, according to this article, in the last 1 year, these are the 4 countries in this region. You can see this: Botswana, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Angola and Namibia. All these 5 countries are facing drought-like situation. What is the reason for this drought-like situation in these countries? The reason is El Nino. The reason is El Nino, which is also a favorite topic of UPSC. However, in this class, we are not going to discuss about El Nino. We are going to discuss how questions can be framed on this topic. So what did we learn today? We learned that Namibia, a country in southern Africa facing acute drought problem, has decided that it is going to cull the wild animals for meat consumption for its general population, because the agriculture output in the country has dipped to record low. And Namibia is not the only country facing this acute drought problem. There are countries surrounding Namibia such as Zimbabwe, Zambia, Angola and Botswana are also facing the same problem. So what kind of questions we can expect on this topic? One question can be a map oriented question. Let me show you how UPSC frames question on this topic. So first, what we are going to do is that we are going to analyze a kind of pattern of UPSC prelims examination from the continent of Africa. What UPSC does in the last couple of years, UPSC pick some countries, okay, group of countries having the same problem, and UPSC gives reason why these countries are in news, what is the common problem between them. Let me just show you the question. Guys, you can see there, in the recent years, Chad, Guinea, Mali and Sudan caught the international attention for which one of the following reasons common to all of them. Common to all of them. So in this case also what they can do, they can just change this question, the same format, they can change the question, they can just, here they write Namibia, then they can write Botswana, then they can write Angola, then they can write Zimbabwe and Zambezi. What is common among these countries? Why these countries have been in news? So these countries are in news for what? The answer will be drought. And why they are facing drought? Because of El Nino. Because of El Nino, the rainfall has reduced and the temperature has increased in this region. So this is not the only question which you can expect from this topic. What I have done is that I have analyzed the last 35 years of UPSC prelims paper, and from that I have picked all the map oriented questions which have come on this topic or this region of Africa. So let us first see the region. You can see these are the countries which are facing the drought like situation. We have here the Namibia, we have the Botswana, we have the Zimbabwe, we have the Zambezi and we have the Angola. And this is the physical map. You can see here, this is the important deserts. You can see here Namib desert, then this Kalahari desert. These two deserts are very, very important. Kalahari desert you can see in Botswana, very, very important. And you can see some of the important rivers. You can see here the Zambezi river which falls into Indian Ocean, and there is a Victoria Fall on the Zambezi river. Why I am going to show you this? Because these topics are in news. And you can see here there is one Kruger National Park which is also very, very important. Kruger National Park. Now let me just show you the questions which have come on this topic in the last 30 years. You can see Victoria Fall is associated with which river? Answer is Zambezi. You can see here the map. This is how you have to prepare the current affairs. Let me just know how many of you prepare like this. Honestly tell you, how many of you prepare like this? How many of you, if you have already taken coaching from some institutes, how many of you have learned this technique of preparation? You can see how I'm linking one small current affairs topic and I'm going to analyze. I'm going to analyze this small topic and I'm going to analyze from various dimensions. You can see this Zambezi River, Victoria Fall. You can see another UPSC question have come on the same topic. Rivers flowing into. You can see Zambezi River, Indian Ocean. You can see this map. Zambezi River, Indian Ocean. Zambezi River, Indian Ocean. Let me just show you another question. Guys, you all know that most of the hot deserts are there on the western part of the continent. Western part of the continent. What is the reason for that? One of the reason is the cold current. You can see here which cold current is flowing here. Which cold current is flowing here? Namib Desert. Namib Desert. Which cold current? So answer is what, guys? Benguela. Benguela cold current. Because cold current also has an impact on desert formation on the western part of the continent of Africa. This is very, very important. So you should know the deserts, Kalahari Desert, Namib Desert, and the current which is flowing through this, which is the Benguela current. So you see how one small topic, many of you must have prepared this topic in the current affairs. Honestly tell me in the comment box how many of you prepared in this manner, this holistic manner, map perspective, and how questions can be asked. Just now I told you how the questions can be asked on this topic. They can club these countries and they can give you reasons why these countries are in news. When they will give you maybe military coup, or they can give you civil war, or they can give you drought. The answer will be drought. So guys, like this, I am mentoring student in my Lakshya Prelims mentorship batch for the Prelims 2025. Guys, let me tell you, Prelims is the toughest part of the UPSC Prelims examination. There's a lot of competition. Lakhs and lakhs of students are writing the Prelims. What you need in the Prelims examination is expert advice, expert mentoring, expert guidance. And guys, I can assure you that no one in this country knows better than me as far as UPSC prelims is concerned. My track record is like spotless. And guys, as far as prelims is concerned, I have cracked 6 out of 6 prelims and highest score. So guys, make use of this mentorship. This is really going to help you a lot. My number will be given in this description, and the link will also be given in the description of this video. Please make use of it. And please continue watching this series. I have created a separate playlist, important topics for prelims 2025. Watch each and every video. Last a lot of questions have come. You can go and you can check 2024. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.